Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Microwave Engineering. In today's class, we are going to learn about cutoff frequency. Cutoff frequency is defined as the frequency at which there is no propagation of signal through waveguide. So let us assume the cutoff frequency of a particular waveguide is, let us say, 1 gigahertz. Okay, if at all the operating frequency what we are providing in a waveguide to travel is less than 1 gigahertz, then there won't be any propagation of signal through the waveguide. That means the cutoff frequency for this particular waveguide is 1 gigahertz. So in order to signal to propagate through the rectangular waveguide or any kind of waveguide, the operating frequency need to be always greater than the cutoff frequency. So therefore a cutoff frequency is defined as the frequency at which there is no propagation of signal through waveguide. Let us consider a rectangular waveguide. So this is a rectangular waveguide which we have drawn. So the width of the waveguide is denoted by small a, and the height or the thickness of the waveguide is noted by small b. Okay, so these a and b plays a crucial role in this cutoff frequency. Let's see what is that. Okay, so the cutoff frequency is denoted by fc, and the fc formula is fc equal to c by 2 into square root of m by a whole square plus n by b whole square, where c is speed or velocity of the light, which gives to 3 into 10 power 8, and m and n are modes of the propagation, and a and b are, as we all know, these are the dimensions of the waveguide. Okay, so where a is the width and b is the height or thickness of the waveguide, and m and n are modes of propagation. Let's take an example of cutoff frequency along with the mode. Okay, so here the example what you see here is an TE12 mode. Okay, where this 1 is considered as small m and 2 is considered as small n. Okay, so this is a transverse electric mode with 1-2 modes of propagation, where small m is given as 1 and small n is taken as 2. Now, as we all know, or we have already seen, the cutoff frequency fc is given by c by 2 square root of m by a whole square plus n by b whole square. Now what we need to do is we need to just simply substitute the values of m and n in the formula. So what we obtain, fc equal to c by 2 into square root of m is 1. So 1 by a whole square plus n is 2. So 2 by b whole square. This is how to substitute the m and n values, which are the modes of propagation. Okay, so whenever we are dealing with problems, okay, we will be given a and b dimensions also, and we already know the value of c, which is nothing but 3 into 10 power 8. We need to substitute all these formulas and we need to find out the cutoff frequency. Okay, so let's see one more example. So this is another example which has got a transverse magnetic mode which is of 1-2 mode. Okay, same here, the first digit m, small m, is considered as 1 and the second one, small n, is considered as 2. Here again substitute the values in the formula cutoff frequency. So fc is equal to c by 2 square root of our m is 1, right? So 1 by a whole square plus 2 by b whole square. This is how we substitute the values. Okay, these m and n are the modes of propagation of that particular TE or TM modes.